Hello there. Today I'm having a look at this Fluke 12 multimeter that I've had for a number of years. I got it out to do some repairs and I find the screen has bled in a couple of places, as you can see here in this corner and in this corner here. It's still usable as it is, but it'll do me head in seeing it like that, so I decided to look for a replacement screen on the internet. I managed to find one on eBay for £18-ish, shipped from China, and it arrived in 7 days after ordering. So let's crack on and fit it. Right, let's start by removing the screws from the back. There's just 4 to take out. And then it's just a case of easing the back off like so. The battery comes out with the back, and then we need to unclip the circuit board. Now these clips are around the edge, so with the thin blade it's just a case of working your way around and coaxing them out. And just lift the board away. Now we can see the screen and the connector along the edge there. But we'll need to just take this plastic tray out, and again it's just clips along the edges, so just locate your clip so it'll pass through. That's the edge connector that connects the screen to the circuit board, so don't lose that. And there's another one here that's come out with it, which controls the switching, so just keep your eye on them when you take it out, you don't lose them. Now you've got access to the screen, it's just a case of popping it out. And then we have our new screen here. Take it out. Just make sure there's no marks on it. The contact edge is this top edge here, and that's going to go to the top when we put it in. So it goes like that. We can then put this back in. Take a strip, return it to its original place. Take our circuit board, just make sure when you're putting this back on that your switch hasn't moved and it's still in the right position, which is the off position, so it's over that way. Clip it all back in, pop your cover back on, making sure you line the battery up correctly. And before you put your screws in, just switch on, make sure it's working. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks good to me. That's just a case of returning your screws to the cover. And that's it, job done. I hope that's been of some help to you. Many thanks for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one.